waste my time. My name's Gerv. I do stuff for Mozilla. I fix your problems. So if you have a problem with process, with tools, with other people in the community, let me know and I will empathize with you. And if nothing else, that will make you feel better. And we might even be able to solve it. If I can't solve it, I'll try and find somebody who can. So get in touch. This is not one lightning talk, this is 12 lightning talks, because I did a blog post saying if you had 2 sentences to say something to people in the Mozilla community that would actually help you out and make your life easier, what would it be? And people came with ideas, and so these are things that we think the Mozilla community needs to know. They are on the wiki there. If you do these things, various people around the community, sometimes yourself, sometimes other people, will be happy. If you don't do them, they will be sad. So try and be the happy cat and not the sad cat. Okay, I've got 12 of them. I have less than 4 minutes. Here we go. First, if you add boilerplate, licensing boilerplate to a new file, get it from the boilerplate page and not by copying it from another one. This is so automated tools and more likely to be able to read it right. 2, the initial developer of the original code, if you work for Mozilla in any capacity, is the Mozilla Foundation. It is not the Mozilla Corporation, it is not the Mozilla Project, and it is not Mike Shaver. 3, the MPL rewrite is going to fix the boilerplate problem. Notice, before that. 4, the Firefox logo files, the ones and zeros that make them up, are now free software and have been for a year. Which means that the Firefox we ship is totally free software, so if anyone tells you that it's not, they're wrong. 5, if you import new code into the tree from another free software project, you have to tell the licensing team, because we have to check for compatibility and make sure we fulfill the obligations, like including a copy of the license in the product. 6, if you need a new discussion forum at Mozilla, that you want to talk about your new cool project or your area of the world or something like that, file a bug, product Mozilla.org, component news groups, we might change that name, it needs a better name, but file a bug and we'll sort you out. It's not difficult. 7, if you're filing a bug and you don't know that it's specific to a particular platform or a particular operating system, set the fields to all. By default, they're set from your browser, but set them to all if it's not platform specific. 8, if you make a video and you happen to have a transcript of it, make it available so that people can make subtitles and translate those subtitles, and your video can be accessible to people who are deaf or who have the sad disability of not being able to speak English, or in fact, whatever language you're... Ooh, yeah. 9, if you're making an API change in the tree, it is polite to search other trees for that change and let the people who own those trees know that you're breaking it, even if you don't have time to fix it for them yourself. You may not have to fix it, but you can at least let them know. 10, if you're generating a file in a makefile, add the name of that file to the garbage variable, and then make clean will clean it up properly. If you generate a directory, the variable is called garbage_deals. 11, the new commit access policy makes it much easier for you to find a friend in the open source community and collaborate with them on cool Mozilla stuff in our source code trees. All you have to do is basically file a bug and say, I want this person to have access to the user trees. So do that, and let's have more collaboration with more people. 12, if you change the meaning of a string in a property or DTD file, change its name as well. Otherwise, it won't get retranslated, and the new button you put in that says fire ejector seat will still say forward in the browsers of everyone other than English, and you don't want that. Okay, so if you do all of those things, various different people will be happy cat and not sad cat. Thank you.